That's when I heard it. A faint sound, not the wind, but something crying. I didn't think twice. I wrapped him in my coat to share my warmth. I knew if I left him there, he wouldn't see the sunrise. Getting him home was the easy part. Cleaning his wounds was the hard part. He was in so much pain, but he didn't bite. He just looked at me. That night, he looked into my eyes. I saw fear, yes, but I also saw gratitude. I named him Leo. You brought him just in time, Arian. The infection was starting, but he's a fighter. He will make it. He wasn't just a pet anymore. He became my shadow, my best friend. Good boy, Leo. Who is a good boy? Saving him didn't just change his life, it changed mine. Sometimes the one who rescues you is the one you thought you were rescuing.